Namaskar. Today I am going to sing regarding a Husori Git, one Husori Git. And before going to actually sing the Husori Git, actually I want to say the meaning of this Husori Git in English. Actually, that Husori Git is the actually কৈলাসত নামৰ ধ্বনি শুনা কৈলাসত নামৰ ধ্বনি শুনা. What does it mean? Hello, my dear friends, listen the songs sang by the Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva at Koilach. Koilach is a mountain. কৈলাশপতিয়ে ডম্বৰু বজাইছে. কৈলাশপতি মানে owner of কৈলাশ mountain, Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva actually beating the dumbbell shaped small actually down, actually with their hands, like that. And bojai Parvati hinga. Parvati means wife of Lord Shiva. Actually, Parvati actually giving the fluid or actually made up of horns, bullock horns or buffalo horns, and it is a melodious thing. And actually both of them are actually singing the Harinam, supreme power name. And after that is name means Nam, Harinam, prayer. So that name I am going to tell you in Assamese, Namora Mohima. What is the power of Nam, supreme power prayer? I am going to tell you, all of you, hey global people, I am going to tell you. Namora Mohima Konto Kekhawe Apuni Asortyo Bhila. And what is the power of actually praying prayers to God? You will be very astonished when you get the result. Namora Mohima Konto Kekhawe Apuni Asortyo Bhila. Huna Khobha Khodo, Khoda Esoro Kishnor Mukhoro Kotha. Hey, all world people, listen. That is this what I am telling. This is actually told by actually Lord Krishna, the supreme power. And that supreme power, Krishna, he is all of all God and goddesses. He is the prime minister of all God and goddesses. And actually among us, he is telling to pray him, prayers. Actually, that is the name is the Nam. You take the prayers, you pray to God with your mouth and do good works without expectation. That is the actual meaning of this Husori. And now I am going to sing. Joy just কৈলাসত নামৰ ধ্বনি শুনা, কৈলাসত নামৰ ধ্বনি শুনা. কৈলাশপতিয়ে ডম্বৰু বজাইছে, বজাই পাৰ্বতী হিঙা কৈলাসত নামৰ ধ্বনি শুনা. কৈছে ভাল